Hey, how's it going? This is Armando with my screencast for Scream Launch. This is to show my progress for the final build. As you can see in my menu, I did a lot of art assets. I actually created all of those myself, including the background, as well as the characters. Going into the game, I really focused a lot on how it feels in terms of the art assets. I'm really happy with how everything kind of turned out. Dropping in just kind of adds to the story that the character was dropped off and onto Earth and just trying to make his way back into the ship. If you can also see that I added 2 additional characters, fully functional with their own sprites and features as you talk, and the different facial expressions. So really like the way everything kind of feels. I'm liking the store, the way it works, and it just seems really usable. Everything just works as expected. I also did a lot of debugging to make sure that as I talk, the input is actually being grabbed and it feels very responsive. All of the art assets are also randomly generated, so it doesn't seem so I don't know, which was it's just not drawn in. Every playthrough looks different, feels different. I'm trying to kind of add a little bit more power to them so that you can kind of see the different art assets and how they. Let's see if I can add a whole bunch. So you can see alright, now we're gonna go ahead and let this guy go. Take the debug off and let's just let him ride, and you'll see that once he gets really high up there, the screen kind of zooms out. Now you're gonna start to see different assets, art based on how far high he has gone. So I like the feel of this. Took a lot of debugging and a lot of working out, but it really comes together. Even as the character goes down, it zooms out based on the speed. So took a lot of debugging to kind of get the feeling right of, obviously he's really high up there, and you don't want to wait forever for him to come down. So that was kind of some debugging that I've done. So I'm really liking the store. Everything just works as to be expected. Also, of course, the ad bonus works really well. I would have liked to kind of make this a little bit more, I don't know, fun or just kind of, oh, that's cool. Just make it feel and look really nice, but overall, the way it is, I'm kind of liking it. So that's the game right now. With trying to get everything all together in this last class, I'm going to be doing a few more features. For example, like adding sound. Try to get that ad bonus to kind of look a little bit nicer, and just kind of make it feel good. But other than that, the game is really right where I want it to be. Like I said, minus the sound, everything is completely complete. So really liking the way the status bar up at the top, you can see that I'm clearly way beyond where I was before. It gives that nice progression and that sense of completion, the high score jumping up like crazy. It just kind of gets you excited. And yeah, this is I'm actually very surprised at how all this came out. You know, piece by piece, little by little, just a lot of work. So that's pretty much everything. That's the game. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.